Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Uber driver profile picture. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Uber driver application here. Now, if you have the Uber driver app, you can do so easily on the app. If you don't have it here, I will show you a prompt how to get it. If you tap on the account option in the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you have to tap on this option, help, and then you have to select the second option account. Once you select the second option account, you can select the option account setting, and on the account setting you can see the change right profile picture option. If you tap on it here, you will see the change right your profile picture, and if you scroll down you can see, do you have a driver account? Try this with the driver account. Must go through the driver app to change the profile photo. This applies if you ever created a driver account even if it was never activated. Your profile photo must be approved before it appears on your account. It will typically takes 2 hours. Once we approved your photo, updates on both your writer and driver account. So if you have the driver account, you want to head into your driver app, and there you wanna upload the photo, and once the approval is done, the only you will be able to change your profile picture and it will be changed. So basically you will have to request for the change. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.